In this video, you will learn how to reach board 300 in Monopoly Go. Maximize dice usage strategically. Save your dices for key events or use multipliers when landing on valuable tiles such as Heist, sticker packs or Rent. Complete the board rapidly. Focus on completing every landmark on the board to accumulate a higher net worth and unlock the next board faster. Participate in events and tournaments. Join Tycoon Racer, build Bash and win quick events to earn extra bonus dices, cash and flags that can propel your progress forward. Collect shields and flags effectively. Use auto roll only in low-risk zones. Grab shields to protect key landmarks and collect flags in the racer events so you can gain an edge. Maintain daily planning habits. Log in daily, claim your 8-hour shop gift. Spin community chests and complete quick wins to gradually stack your resources. Time build actions during bonuses. Upgrade your landmarks during events like Builder's Bash with a discount to stretch your Monopoly Go cash. Then move through your board more efficiently. Now you know how to reach board 300 on Monopoly Go quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.